Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Hi, doggy. Hi. See, you know how I know he's not going to try to kill me? He's wagging his tail. He's happy to see me. Yeah. Are you happy to see me? Of course.
You don't even know if he's happy or he's sad.
That tail. That tail's betraying him, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Look at this. There's a guard dog. Yes, sir.
I hear a little voice.
See him up there?
Like a little puppy.
Yeah, but he's full grown. Listen to him.
He's a chihuahua.
No, it's not a chihuahua. Or is it? I don't know.
That's a
it don't seem like a chihuahua to me.
I just barely glimpsed it. That's a little breed.
He's a brave one though. You know, somebody said you need to get out for some of these views. But
maybe when you turn. But this part is Smokey Vale still, right?
Yeah, we're still in Smokey Vale as far as I know, sweetie.
Look at that tree going through the house. Look how they do it.
Oh.
and they make the hole that the tree come through.
Okay, I hope I'm here. Let me bring the camera. Yeah, because I got to turn the car.
I see a house like that somewhere here in Jamaica. I saw it on YouTube. It's a big mango tree, and they make this man in the Blue Mountain. He make his granddaughter's room around this mango tree, so the mango tree is in the house. But I don't know. I wouldn't do that. Because what if you have like a hurricane and so on, and the child should break? You know what can happen?
Yeah,
I wouldn't do that. It's a big area around here.
You know, no. I wonder if that up there is part of the gated community, because it's all gated off.
Oh well, maybe.
Yeah, because I don't see how.
I can see so.
I don't see how you go to those houses.
Yeah, well, maybe.
They look like houses that people would have their own cars and stuff. So it must have a garage in that gated community.
It's nice around here, man. Nice.
Yeah.
Place like this, like we love quietness.
No, that'd be nice. That'd be nice. I'm glad we came in here. I am really glad we came in here.
You know, you're always in a hurry, you know.
Well, hopefully these pictures turn out good, because it's pretty getting the sun is not out, but
I wonder if one of the viewers maybe know the name of this. It looks like it's a cactus anyhow, but I don't know the name. They're so big.
Yeah. Is that the one that had the tree growing out, or is it the next one? Must be the next one.
It's not this one. No. You would see the tree coming out at it.
Oh, look at down there. Look at down there.
Yeah. Nice view.
Wow. Look at something down there that's real bright, like a sign or something.
Oh, I see it. Yeah.
Huh.
It's red. Oh.
I was thinking about getting out.
I see the green light. There was a green light, and then it's cut.
It's one of those. It's one of those great big TV things. That's a sign.
Okay, yes.
Now I see it's green.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can see the barges out in the bay.
Yeah. You can imagine on a bright day when it's not so.
You can see the wharf.
Yeah. And they also the tree coming over.
Look at that view, people. Get right over here. Oh, it's not on the inside. See the tree down there? It's on the outside of the house.
It's on the outside.
Yeah.
But they make a hole that it comes through.
Yeah, so they have a, I don't know why they thought that was the thing to do. You know, everybody got their own idea about things. Now that Italian cypress is in good shape. It's a lot younger, see?
Yeah.
It's in real good condition. Oh, those people have a swim pool. See? Can you see it? See? It's empty.
Oh, it's empty.
But they have one.
Okay.
The day is coming to a close, and it's just so beautiful. Although the only reason we don't have sunlight is not because of the hour.
It's because of the rain, the overcast.
Yeah, that's why. Yeah. Oh, look at these red flowers. They're bright, brilliant. And then these purple ones.
With them.
This is the one you call a trumpet, right?
No.
Oh, I thought this was the one you were calling a trumpet in town.
No, I was showing you what
Yesterday.
what is a trumpet.
Oh,
they have the yellow. They have the yellow one.
What do you call these? What do you call these?
I don't know.
Okay, this is
I
the
was
one I
telling
was
you I
saying it
don't
was
know.
a healthy plant and all that in that last video.
I
And
don't
I didn't
know what
even call it the
is.
right thing. Okay, people,
I was showing
tell me
you-
what those are, because Madge,
I keep showing you what is trumpet. Even
I
when
keep
we're going
forgetting.
down,
I keep trying to change it. I'm going to have to get on. You know, I love the plant life, okay? And I love to talk about it. But I don't know what anything is named.
the
and I don't know,
trumpet doesn't have any flowers on it.
I don't know why you need to have a name. Oh, I thought a trumpet would look like a trumpet, you know?
No, and the trumpet, there's a lot growing wild even around where we live.
If I was going to name that plant right there, I'd call it a trumpet.
You know, the yellow ones look like, oh, see some yellow ones look like it's the same, it's related, they are relative. I don't know.
Well, they must be.
They must be cousin.
They're cousins. They're, yeah.
Cousin. With the young girl.
Well,
So what you call this, like this kind of tree, like a Christmas tree? What you call this one?
well, I'd call it a Christmas tree.
A Christmas tree. Yeah. You kind of tilting, like it's lean.
Yeah, it's had a little. Well, either that or we don't know which way. No, it is leaning.
Oh, it's more than one.
Oh, yeah. It'd be really beautiful to decorate it like a Christmas tree.
Yeah. Yeah, people do that.
Yeah.
You know, like it's so tall.
Huh. Well, it's some sort of
Why they plant
evergreen.
those palms so near?
It looks like an evergreen tree.
Those palms so near to the house, you know? Look.
Well, that one really bends, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's been.
But this one here's a gorgeous tree.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it's got long pine needle looking things. It's some sort of a warm weather evergreen. Everything's evergreen around here though, because it never, you know.
What's that dog? What kind of dog is that?
That's a guard dog. That's the kind of dog that jump through your window and bite you. But he looks pretty friendly. Can you wag your tail for me?
No, I'm not walking it.
No.
Oh, you look. What?
Huh? He looked like he was going to jump over the fence. I was scared. I'm going up here.
So you better leave those dogs. Stop
I'm
trying to like you want to pet them.
Well, I didn't. I don't know what I was thinking.
No, but you're always doing
He
that
looked like He never wagged his tail either. He wanted to kill me.
No, wag his tail.
No, he wants to kill me. Did he bark? I can't even remember because I just like my mind blanked it out. You know, when you're like
well,
in a
you stop
traumatic.
doing that. Stop.
When you know you're like in a traumatic situation, how your mind blanks things
Stop
out.
because you know dog can be very
That's how
vicious.
my mind went. It blanked it all out because it was like traumatic for me.
Dogs can be
That's
very
really pretty
vicious.
right up here.
Yeah.
All right, we're about to end this video.
So it's just the one? Well, you don't do some more of that.
Yeah, let me go. Let me turn around and see.
Yeah.
I wanted to get out of there because I was afraid of the dog, sweetie.
You're not afraid of the dog.
I'm not afraid of him?
No, that's why I don't try to be trying like I want to pet them. No, I'm not saying anything to them.
Okay, are you, why? Because you're afraid of him?
Yes.
Okay, well, why can't I be afraid of him too?
No, I don't think so.
I can't be afraid of him?
No, you're looking.
It's just only you get to be afraid of a dog.
It seems like you're looking for a dog to play with.
No, I don't want to play with the dog.
And those people have their dogs as guard dog.
Yeah.
So you don't.
That's not a play. He was just sitting out there so nice. I thought he was a pet. He wasn't.
Okay, all right.
Because you know some of those dogs, you just walk on the road or drive on the road and they go crazy.
Well, because I don't know which is guard dog from which is pet. I
don't know.
I am not trying.
But get ready to drive fast if he jumps the fence.
You say looking? Is it looking?
Look, he's at attention now. We got his attention. See, watch him.
It's
Watch him.
hairs. You see?
Watch him. If he starts darting towards us, I'm going to hit the gas. Just be ready to lean back in your seat. I'm hitting the gas.
I don't try to like how some people would see dogs and you don't know them and you're trying to go play with them. No, I don't do it. Next thing I lose my hand.
I guess we're going to take this road and see what we find.
Try, yeah.
That's a nice house there. Wow. I need to go down by it. Okay, let's see what we have here. See if I can get up here without a puncture. This looks like puncture territory.
This side,
This is puncture territory road here, sweetie. Huh. Well, that's a big house there. At the end of the road? No? Okay.
For sale, there's...
Look at this. We got all kinds of roads we didn't know about. Okay.
There's some... What?
Delphinus Close.
Close.
The old Delphinus Close.
So,
okay, that looks like the end of the road there for Delphinus Close over there. Oh, and they got serious. Oh, they're wagging their tail. They're not going to kill me. And then that's the end of the road over here. We need to go down here and spook people, you know.
you didn't get that one though. You didn't get that. Yeah.
I got it enough. Here, Upton Chambers. Okay, puppies, we're going. You scared us off. You did your job. Good job. Good job, puppies. See them wagging their tail? They're not going to kill us.
You know,
that German Shepherd, I thought he was going to jump the fence and kill us. I don't want to get a puncture here. I got to be very careful. Boy, that is big.
Yeah.
I wonder if that's like a boarding, not a boarding house, but you know, like a multi-family kind of a deal.
It could be family house.
Could be a family house, apartments.
Yeah, it could be anything.
But you know, people talk about, you know, you build a big house and then you have all the family members. That dog is he's a friendly doggy. Yeah, you're a nice doggy. He looks like he's got a little black lab in him, so he's not too vicious. He's liable to lick you to death. If he's got black lab, he's liable to lick you. I'm going to come over here to avoid the puncture that may be lurking on the other side of the road. And I'll kind of come across like this and straddle. There we go. There we go. Okay. All right, we promised, and we delivered. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Hey, this is a nice.
That's a very pretty home. I want to get over on that other side of the road and take a look at it. That's a really attractive home. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at their veranda there that looks down in the valley. Oh, and then they've got a little circle veranda over there, maybe off of a bedroom. Yeah, off of a master bedroom, you know.
Watch out for that place.
Then they have a breakfast nook.
Very sharp.
I just know it's what it's got, you know. I just know what it's got. And it's really nice. Really, really nice. I'm going to come up and take pictures of it the other way. I think this is kind of the end of the road down here. Isn't this the end of the road down here, Manny's Hill?
Oh, you forgot that it go right out at the main, yeah.
Yeah. No, I didn't forget. I just didn't know if this was the final corner. So. That's the picnic that was on the video. Hi! They were on our video 2 days ago.
They remember.
Yeah. They remember the video, man.
Watch this.
Uh-oh. What do we got here?
So-
Don't jump up in the car, buddy. He's hoping we're throwing out chicken bones. That's what he's hoping. Look
But
at
you
him.
don't have any tail.
You don't have a tail.
Wow. So you don't know whether he's serious.
I don't know if he's serious or not because he can't see if his tail's wagging or not. That's why you...
I mean...
It's not a he anyway, it's a she. Look at it.
Yeah. But the tail is completely...
How are you going to know if they're friendly or if they're friend or foe? I can't know if you're friend or foe. They don't have a tail. What use is a tailless dog? You know, actually, you know what? If I was living around here and I wanted a friendly dog that was good with kids and everything, oh, look at the backs of those homes down there.
Yeah.
Those are some we went by. See the backs of them?
Is there a road?
See? Oh, maybe it is. Yeah, it is. We don't have to just talk about it. We can go see it.
Yeah.
That greenish, that one with the 2 tones of green over there. I totally love that. Yeah, if I was going to have a friendly dog that I could have around kids, just cut his tail off. And then people don't realize if he's friend or foe. Don't you think?
I don't know.
That's what I think.
But that dog has no tail, you know. Some dog you just
No,
see
that's why you look to see if he's wagging his tail or not, to know if he's going to try to kill us. And the first thing you thought was, I don't see his tail wagging, he's trying to kill us. And then you realized, no.
I wonder if it's something really, maybe when it was a baby, bite the tail off.
Maybe.
Because no one would cut the tail off.
No, you don't. I mean, even if you dock a dog's tail, you don't cut it that short.
No, you don't cut it that way. No.
You don't cut it that short. Now,
that's a nice house.
Oh, that's beautiful. That white home.
Both houses are nice.
That next one I really like.
Mm-hmm. Both of them is nice.
Yeah, the next one I really like.
And there's a nice color too.
Mm-hmm. Okay, end of the line, people.
This house is that house you can get it. Look, that house.
Oh, look at that!
It's so many stories.
Wow!
Wow! 3 stories.
Wow. Wow, that's something. Well, We're probably going by some of these too fast. Like this one
one's
here.
really nice.
That's really nice. That's a really nice house. I had no idea these houses were up in here. They're quite attractive.
I wasn't even taking notice that the road comes.
I had no idea. And they're just so attractive.
Yeah.
Some of these are just breathtaking homes.
That's a big house down there. But
Yeah.
you cannot.
No, I can't see it. And there may not be a road I can see it from.
They have a good
Other
view.
than way down.
They have a good view.
Oh, you know it. And they can see up in the city nice and everything. Yeah.
These people don't have any dog. That's why they leave the gate open.
They just have some pretty plants along their wall. Better pay attention where I'm driving or I'll puncture a tire. Okay.
The road is quiet, you know.
So, battery will soon be dead. It's already flashing. Oh, it's down to... Yeah, we're going to have to end it. I'm down to 17% battery.
You have to end it now? Or you can...
Well, we've basically gone down all these streets. You know?
Oh, these boys are so fast. They're all over the place.
You know, that home there, I just love the colors of that. That colors are just so nice. The dark green, light green color, I practically want to knock on their door and have them give me the color code, you know, for those colors of paint.
It's nice.
Because that would be nice. And see how they have the brick then too? That's what I was talking about, putting on the front and the back veranda wall.
Yeah.
Now, I think that would look really good. And then with that color, I might just have to copy them, you know? I might have to just copy them. All right, I gotta speed up, go by this house. Hello. Go by that house, because there's the killer dogs. Oh, they have another dog too. We went down that one.
That's where we come.
Because remember, we came down there when we almost got killed?
Yeah.
Yeah. That house needs some maintenance, but it could be quite an attractive home if it were to get it.
This house is a nice house.
Yeah, I don't like that roof though, but that's just me. Some people are gonna love it. That's just like the roofs on some of these houses that look like they're the Pizza Hut roof, you know, the Pizza Hut roof style. Some people love that roof,
Look at that,
but to
that
me
style,
it just
that
looks
style
like,
of house. Look at it.
oh yeah, that's very modernistic, you know. Yeah,
That's modern.
it looks like it belongs in the Alps or something, you know. Or, you know, like in a mountainous area.
Yeah, like
Where so the snow can come off the roof easy. But it's not going to snow here. Ever. Oh, that one down in there is nice. I should go over and see if I can get over here and sneak a peek. Down in there.
you can.
I don't know if I can or not, but it's...
You'll get a glimpse of it.
All right, I'm going to need to shut this off because if it stops on its own, I could maybe lose some of my footage. So, So anyway, viewers and subscribers, we hope you enjoyed our big tour of going down all kinds of roads we didn't even know about because we were just going on the main roads. But you know, there's one of these. There's a map over here somewhere that I thought about. We ought to take a picture of that. We'd know where we need to go. But I think we figured it out really well. I'm pretty proud of us. So be sure and like, share, comment, and subscribe for the latest from Red Button Journal. Big up yourself and bless up yourself and What else?
Good evening.
And have a good evening.
Yeah.
Good evening. Whoops, sorry. Whew, I didn't intend to do that. I don't know what that's going to look like on camera. Anyway, later.